What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue. I'm about to show you how to get this beautiful bob. Boo. Today we have a super easy, beautiful wig for you. This is going to be for the everyday woman. This is geared towards the back to school girl, the everyday woman, the woman that's just going grocery shopping and want to put on something really, really easy without having to do too much. This is the unit for you. Today's unit is by Nadula, and I have worked with this company so many times. This is their 12-inch 5x7 or 7x5 bob. I'm not 100% sure. I will have everything right here. You guys already know the drill. All the information will be right there. This was super, super easy to style. I hardly did anything to this. All I did was just bump the ends. It came straight, so all I had to do was bend the ends. Put a little concealer right in the center right there. This is 100% glueless. I will give you a close-up of that. As you can tell, it's glueless. Like, okay, and it's just sitting beautifully. Like, you can just throw this on and go if you got to get to work and you're late. This is the hair you want to get. You feel me? All right. Yes, like super, super easy. You can do a million things with this. Even though it is a bob unit, you can curl this up. You can, you know, volumize it, blow it out. You can do a million things with this, but I decided to go for a, you know, a little flip under, or a flip over, I should say. How do you say it? Girl, the little flippy ends. All right, that's what I went for. All right, because it was super cute. I'm taking it back a little bit. I really like this. Like, this is super, super easy. Really, really comfortable on the head. Like, and it has that rubber grip in the back. That's really nice. I really like that. This is one of those everything wigs, okay? Pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-styled. Okay, like, she is just ready to go. Full, but not too full where it looks wiggy. You get what I'm saying? Like, it looks really good for something that is not glueless. Like, come on now, you can wear this to work, wear this to school, and feel comfortable and look cute. It's 2024. We're throwing it on and getting through the door. We're not doing too much. We're not struggling either, okay? We're not fighting with our hair anymore. It's just easy, it's effortless, and I love that they're making wigs a lot more effortless and seamless. I like it a lot. Anyways, all the information for this unit will be down in the description box, so let's get right on in to the styling of the video. Don't get me wrong, sure we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love. I like you a lot, but you gotta step up. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth a while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me,
should learn that on your own. I play cool.
Yeah, so like I said, there's barely anything to do to this. You just throw it on and go, and it's up to you whether you want to bump it up or you don't want to bump it up. The way it came right out of the package, top tier. Like, it's really some top tier here. Like, look at the luster, look at the shine. How pretty. Honey, this is one for the books. I really like this. Now, I know some of the women out there are not into long hair. This is gonna be the type of unit for you. Anyways, make sure you check out Nadula. All the information for this unit will be down in the description box. 10 out of 10. I do recommend this. Y'all already know, if it ain't good hair, it don't make it on here, all right?
Nadula.